If you live in America and feel like money just disappear every month, then this video is for you. You work hard, you get paid, and somehow your bank balance still goes back to zero. Most people think this happen because they don't earn enough. But the truth is, most people were never taught how money actually work. So today I am going to explain money in America from absolute zero. Assume you know nothing about finance, that's perfectly okay. Money is not success, money is not happiness, money is simply a tool. In America, money works in a very simple flow. Money comes in, money goes out, and some money is supposed to stay. If you don't control this flow, money controls your life. For most Americans, money comes from one main place, a paycheck. You work a job, you get paid every week, every 2 weeks, and that money hits your bank account. Some people also earn money from side hustle or free reliance work, but the rule is still the same no matter how much money comes in. If you don't manage it properly, it will never feel like enough. Now let's talk about where money goes. Money goes to rent, food, gas, phone bills, internet, subscription, credit card payment. In America, expenses are designed to feel small. Monthly payment, auto pay, sweep now, worry later. That's why money disappear quickly. You don't see it leaving, but on day you check your account and it's almost empty. This is why so many Americans live paycheck to paycheck. And no, it's not because they are lazy, it's not because they are bad people, it's because money leaves you automatically. But saving money does not. Rent in automatic, bills are automatic, subscription are automatic. Saving is optional, and when something is optional, it usually does not happen. Now let's talk about bank accounts. Most people in America have two main bank account. One is called a checking account. This is where your paycheck comes. This is where you pay bill. This is where daily spend happens. The second is called a saving account. This is where money is supposed to stay. The biggest mistake beginners make is keeping all their money in checking. Money is checking gets spent. Money is saving gets protected. Your saving account should be boring. Boring is good. Boring keep money safe. Now me explain saving in the simplest way. Saving is not the money left at the end of the month, because for the most people nothing is left. Saving is a deciding in advance that some money will not be touched. Even saving $25 or $50 consistently is powerful. You don't build financial stability by saving a big amount once. You build it by saving small amounts again and again. Now here the most important part: without a simple plan, money decide your life. With a plan, you decide where money goes. A plan does not need to be perfect. It does not need to be complicated. It just need to exist. You don't need to be rich to manage money. You don't need a finance degree. You need structure. You need awareness, and you need patience. Money does not reward intelligence. Money reward discipline. This channel is for people who were never taught money in school. If you want to understand finance on simple step at a time, subscribe to this channel. In the next video, I will explain checking and saving account properly and how to use them the right way. Because once you understand where money goes, you can finally make it stay.